Hello guys, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family. I believe you are doing good and we thank God for everything and for you guys for working with us. And I believe now people are very happy, are becoming happy because of what we have been producing to you because it has been working good, and guys, we thank God for that. Guys, don't forget that let me remind you that we are running out of time because now it's only 1 week to go. Then it will be the end of our celebration of our anniversary. So it will be the end of the offer. And remember to grab this, do all your best to grab this with an opportunity, because surely guys, you need these systems. You need TFX systems now to change your financial status. And remember guys, we are giving the offer with a 50% offer. This means that we give the robot with $500 a lifetime license with free updates, but now we are giving with the $250 for this time, for this season of celebrating our first anniversary. Then the second one is the manual system, which we are giving with we always give with $349. Now we are giving with $170 lifetime, guys, lifetime. And remember, if you purchase the robot, you will be given also a free manual system, because we have to celebrate together and we have to change our financial life, financial status to everyone's life, because we really need this money, guys. You really need this opportunity. You really need this money to transform your, there is a lot of things, guys, that are going on in the whole world. So all we need it is to help one another, and this is why we are giving of 50%, so that we can at least reach to all people or help people. Let us grow together, guys. Now let's go to our main agenda. Now it's the video about, people have been asking there, can you just cover something? Because I think by covering so many things in a video, sometimes people get lost. So it is good sometimes to cover a short or a specific something that maybe some people are missing in the market. It is good to contact us and tell, oh, I'm lost, or maybe you missed something that you wanted to understand correctly. So this video, it will be very short, because I just want to show the people who purchased the master system, the master EA, how to set it, guys, because some people said that they are not understanding how to work with two templates. So what do I mean by two charts, guys? This is what I want to cover here, how to work with these two charts, or how to set the TFX Master EA properly, and it will work. And we are going to start from the scratch. So number one, we are starting after installing everything, guys, because installation, there is no problem. If now you want to work with volatility 25, you must have two charts for volatility 25. So if you want to work with all this index, make sure that guys, everyone you select two charts. You open two charts as simple as that one. So you must, if it is volatility 25, there must be volatility 25 two charts. Let's say, even if you want to work with the normal currencies, because the best thing with the TFX Master EA, you can work with normal currencies, index, even indices, guys. Let's select this metal. This is gold. You must have two charts. Keep that in mind. You must have two charts. And what we are sending to you, there are two templates. One is the master EA, and the one is the with the handle. So what is this with the handle? Let's do it manually. Let's not only picking this one, because sometimes you may miss it, maybe something might happen, but let's do it manually of what we mean by master. So let us create our own master. We have very, very, very few indicators here. They cannot confuse you. So for creating the handle, let's create TFX. This is the master handle that must be there, and the other one is soup D. That one must be there, and the other one is trading V crash trading line. It must be there. So that is what we call a handle. A handle, it is one where the robot will be picking signal from. From there, let us save the TFX handle as simple as that. That is the TFX master handle. Let us replace it as simple as that one. Now, this means that if I want to pick the trades from H4, from this volatility 25, I must select H4 there, and I will insert my handle, as simple as that. Now, the robot will be taking trades from H4 because that is where now I just want to pick the trades from this time frame, because this one, it is a signal time frame. A signal time frame means that the robot will be picking signal according to the direction of this big time frame that you selected. Remember, you can choose one daily time frame, you can choose a weekly time frame if you wish to, and you can also select it for H4 or even H1. That is according to you. Now, the second chart, it is where now the robot will be. Now, this is where the robot will attach our robot. And let's say, for instance, guys, you want to pick the trades now. You will be picking signal from H4. We will be trading with the direction of H4. This means that if H4 say buy, that is where in lower time frame where you attach your robot, there is where it will be picking only buy. And let's say, for instance, I just want to pick trades from H5 or H2. The good thing is you can select even minute one, not H2. There is nothing like that. But yeah, but it's there. But in lower time frame, let's say that I just want to pick trades with the direction of H4, and I would just want to attach my robot in minute one. So we have that TFX Master EA here, but let us do it manually. So number one, what you need to do in minute one, first of all, now we are not going to attach the handle. Here it is the entry arrow must be there. And the second one, it is the SUP D must be there. And the third one, it is the trend line. And the fourth one now, it is the EA. It is the EA after selecting maybe the strategy that you want there. And let's say you're working with the strategy tool. So all you need to do from there, now this TFX Master EA, let's select from there. And now we want to work with the strategy tool, and let's click OK. Now, guys, if you find something like this one, you know there is nothing happening. We are trying to attach everything here. And I just want to show you that they are there. Let me save this one and show you they are there. Since these terminal were updated, there is a lot of, and sometimes it's good to discover something that is wrong in the market. So when you find some, people may think, oh, maybe it is the system. It is not the system. I don't know, since they updated the MT5, I think people have been complaining it's not working the way people used to think. This is why you need to know what to do. And we know why they are doing this, but it's a secret and we don't want to expose some stuff. And this I only tell people secretly. Now, this one, after doing this, you must shut down the terminal. Then it will appear. You will see that. Let me shut down. You see, guys, after restarting our terminal or shut it down and open it again, you will see that they were there. But that's how the things are working. Now, you can see now, this is where we attach our robot. Our robot is here now, meaning that if now H4 is saying buy, the only thing the robot will be doing in minute one, it is to buy according to where the SUPDEM are. Let's say, for instance, there is no clear picture there. Now, a place like this one. If now I'm picking trades from minute 5, and here we are coming from a support. The only thing robot will be doing, it is to buy. It won't sell, and it will only buy after candles touching this area where there is a support, where there is a SUPDEM and trade line. Then it will pick trade. After hitting the trade line, then it will take the profit, and you can adjust the setting of the trade line to wherever you want. Now, let's proceed. I just want to give a good example. Now, let's say now this is volatility 50 and I want to take the trades now from volatility 50. We'll just go to the template that we saved with the handle. We'll click the handle. Now we are picking the trades from here. And because now we see we are coming from the support now, and we want to trade this trade from minutes 2. Let's say for instance, we just want to pick the trades from minutes 2, and we have our template with the EA here. Now, this means that because we are in a support this area, we have the trend line and the super in this area in a signal time frame, which now we are picking from H1. Here we are picking from H4, but this one we are picking from H1. Now here it's a buy, and we are taking trades in minutes 2 time frame, and that's where we attach our robot. So all the robot will be taking trades according to where the super dim here. So here was a buy because we can see there is a super dim here in our trade line. This arrow, it's the entry point. The robot exited the market here, and there were no sale because in H1 we are still in buy. Then where there is another supreme here indicating another support, then this one was the entry point. And if you missed this entry point, there is another entry point going with the direction of H1, which gives the signal because now we are coming from this trade. So if, for instance, now the same thing, if you are taking the trade in H4, if the H4 telling you, says that it's a bullish market, that's what it will do. It doesn't matter what you are trading, guys, even if it's normal currencies. And let's say, for instance, we want to pick the trades from H4, go and attach the handle. We attach the handle, and let's say you're picking even the trades from H1 to H1, from H4 now to H1. This is where we attach the template that contains the EA. Now you can see if the market was saying sell, then the robot was taking all the sell. After this trading sup D, we have a trading line there. There is an arrow here, it takes trade. But if we were late, then there is another entry here. Then after hitting this trade line, this is where the robot will exit the market, then wait for another subdem as a resistance, then it will continue dropping. And the good thing with our subdem, it trades to strategy. It indicates the strong support and resistance. And number 2, it's also trading the order blocks strategy. For those people who knows the order block strategy, our SUPD always trade the the order block strategy, and plus indicating the strong support and resistance. Because even if you can, for those people who understand about the order blocks, you can read my chart and see surely it covers what you have been trained about, how to draw those order blocks. Now it is simple as that, guys. So for those people who are asking that question, I believe now you know how to work with the two charts. So one, it will contain the handle that we sent by default, or you can create your own, as you have seen me doing that on in your presence. And the other one, it is for the time frame where you attach your robot, where the robot will be taking trades from. And remember, we shared the video of how to analyze the chart before attaching the robot, so that you can have a clear picture of the chart. And I told you about the good charts to trade in, where you can't say, oh, me, I just love to trade the 15 minutes. We have already shared why you are not supposed to trade the minute 15 because it is what you desire, but you are supposed to trade in any of the time frame according to how you analyze the chart. And we have covered that in a video. It's very simple. And I told you that the first thing, make sure that you are in the chart that doesn't have the long candles, or maybe the candles that consolidate in the same area. Look where the chart goes smooth, then know where you are picking trades. And I told you, you can pick trades from H4, you can pick trades from H1, or daily or weekly. And now, guys, I believe now you understand. If I tell you, okay, let us trade gold, and let's do it professionally. Let's pick trades from direction of H4. You will select the H4 and attach the handles there. Oh, let us say I just want quick money and I want just to trade in minute 1 for gold. So Don't just see if the code in minute 1 is smooth. If it's not the smooth, yeah, like here in minute 3 looks so nice. Let's go to minute 5, something like this. No, minute 3 looks so sweet. Then attach your EA there. So if H4 telling us is a cell, in minute 3 the robot will be taking all cells according to where the sub D in minute 3 is. So it is simple as that, and I do believe now that is clear of how to work with the two charts, one for the handle and the one for the EA. And I believe now your answer is answered already. Your question is answered now. No more confusion or no more struggling about that issue, guys. That is the end of that video, and I believe now you enjoyed and now you have learned something. Thank you so much, guys, as we celebrate together, as we milk this market together. Grab this golden opportunity and let's milk market together. Thank you so much, and once again, welcome to TFX family.